Mr. Suryodey, once found his wife Alochana being fished out. Later, kicks her out of his palace. After some time, sits on the bench and thinks calmly, remembers about her past affairs and false confessions made in order to escape the trouble. Being relieved from her husband, starts her interaction with Mohan.
He convinces her of the new life and makes her ready for the sexy night.
Few years later, Suditya, the money sucker and the son of a bitch who betrayed a real man, finds Banita, a sexy girl working at an MNC, loves her and gets married. It was all fine for Banita. Until one day, where Suditya became bankrupt, gradually also lost his fertility, and couldn't satisfy his wife anymore. They both came to a conclusion and found a way to satisfy their personal needs. Suditya starts calling his close group seeking their help by telling them that he wants to make her kid join the school, showing fake documents of his apartments, and starts making false payment promises to get someone into trouble.
He later finds the prey and gets the amount accordingly.
However, on the payment return date, he passes the prey to Banita. Banita gradually gains control over the prey, providing further false promises, and saying all sorts of financial problems. Prey loses his patience and gets Banita on a ride for collecting the loan amount. Banita provides an offer to sell herself. Both Banita and Suditya is personally satisfied, as their pussy money plan worked out. However, Prey is trapped both legally and personally. Whether he accepts Banita's offer or not, Prey is going to get a legal notice that he had an external affair. Will the Prey get the justice? Will he be able to bear the delay? Will society accept him? Imagination is unlimited.
#Justice for Men.